Hello guys, this is Amos Doll Music, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play Faded by Alan Walker. Okay, so this is a very nice song. There's a few sections that I love the most, and I'll teach you those sections in this lesson, okay? But anyway, the first section I'm going to teach you is the very nice piano accompaniment that begins the song as the intro and also ends the song as well. And also here and there within the song it has this kind of louder version. But anyway, give you a quick preview. It goes like this, check it out. Repeats. Okay, but anyway, that's what I'm going to teach you in today's lesson as the first section. The second section I'll show you afterwards once we've finished this first section, alright? So here we go. Okay, so the first section is actually quite easy. The right hand is the only thing that kind of like goes around. And then in the left hand, we have this pattern that I'll teach you afterwards. And then I'll just teach you the chords first for the left hand. So you get it. It's actually easy to understand it that way better. But anyway, jump straight into it. The first part goes like this for the right hand. It goes 3 G flats. So middle C is here, right? So the G flat is right here. So 3 of them. And then up to B flat. Okay, so that's the first part of this first section. Let's do this first part again. So it goes like this. Right hand, it has 4 notes for the first part. It goes 3 G flats, 1, 2, 3, and then up to B flat like that for the right hand, okay? So once you get the right hand, left hand, one chord for this first part. The one chord is E flat minor, so it's E flat, G flat, B flat. Okay, so we're just doing the block chord first. As I said, I'll teach you the pattern afterwards, okay? So E flat minor, with that in mind, turn together goes like this. So basically, the chord comes in right at the first note on the right hand. So it goes like this, together, like that, okay? And then, that's the first part one more time. Let's go together. Okay, so that's the first part. Let's move on to the second part now. The second part, right hand continues on. It goes 3 E flats, so 1, 2, 3, and then D flat like that. Okay, so this E flat is the E flat that is above the B flat from the first part. So one more time, so it goes 3 E flats, and then D flat. So that's the 4 notes for the second part. For the right hand, the left hand, we have the chord B major, which is B, D sharp, and F sharp. Alright, so with these 3 notes in mind, so the B major chord, the 2 hands together goes like this. So it goes E flat and B major together, so it's together. Like that. So that's the second part, okay? So yeah, pretty easy. So far, the first 2 parts we've learned will be played back to back like this. Check it out. So it goes together, together, just like that, all right? And then the third part is super simple. The right hand goes down to B flat for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, simple, okay? So just 4 B flats, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it for the right hand, simple, okay? Left hand, one chord here, the chord is G flat major, which is G flat, B flat, D flat. Okay, with that G flat major in mind, the 2 hands together goes like this, so it goes B flat and G flat major together, so it's like together, 2, 3, 4, like that, okay? So pretty simple, one more time, so it goes like this, so it goes together, 2, 3, 4, like that, all right? So yeah, that is the third part, all right? So that's the third part. And then, okay, let's go ahead and put the 3 parts back to back together now, okay? So it goes like this, together, and then E flat and B major together, like that, okay? Moving on to the 4th and last part of this section, right hand goes down from the B flat to the F for 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and another F. In fact, actually it's 4 Fs. Why am I even saying 3 Fs plus another F? Okay, so 4 Fs, simple. Okay, one more time, right hand, 4 Fs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So remember, only 4 Fs for the right hand for this 4th and last part of the section. Left hand, we have one chord here. The chord is D flat major, which is D flat, F, and A flat, okay? So with that D flat major in mind, the 2 hands together once again. First note, F and D flat major together. So it's together, 2, 3, 4, like that, simple, and that's it. So one more time, together, 2, 3, 4, like that. All right, and that's it, okay? Put back to back, you'll go like this. Check it out. Okay, that's it, okay? So, as I said before, I'll teach you the left-hand pattern now. So, once you get the normal block chords correct, the pattern is extremely simple. What you do, the pattern is called an Alberti bass, which in classical is like this specific pattern where you take like any chord, right? Okay, just take the first chord, E flat minor. What you do for that chord, substitute this pattern now. So you do the lowest note of the chord, the highest note of the chord, and the middle note of the chord, and the highest note of the chord. Like that, and then you do that for twice for every single chord. Like that, okay? So for E flat minor, it's just like low, high, mid, high, low, high, mid, high. That's the pattern. So low, high, mid, high. It's always that. Okay, so yeah, for the E flat minor, would be da 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 da, and B major, same thing. G flat major, same thing. And D flat major, same thing. Like that. So substitute that pattern with all of the chords, okay? So it just goes like this now. So putting together with that pattern as well, just goes like this. Just like that, repeat it. Yeah, and then sometimes you can just add some variations, you can do like chords. Middle section, you know how like there's like a dubsteppy version of it? Yeah, so you can do it for that. But anyway, talking about dubstep, I'll be teaching you the other section of the song, which is the catchy dubstep version part of this song. Well, there's another section, it's a bit different. It goes like this. I'll give you a preview of what we're gonna learn right now. So it goes like this. So the left-hand chord is still the same 4 chords, so we can save some time because we'll know those 4 chords already. So it goes like this, here's a preview. Repeat that. Just like that, okay? But anyway, let's learn it right now. So the left hand is the same 4 chords that we learned in the whole first section. So you can just pay attention. Remember, E flat minor, B major, G flat major, and D flat major. So put that out of the way. Let's focus on the right hand. So it goes like this. The right hand goes G flat, up to B flat, up to the G flat, F, E flat, and then E flat, D flat, D flat, A flat, and then 2 B flats, and up to D flat, B, B flat, G flat, F, A flat, F. Okay, so I'm challenging you now because the chords on the left hand we learned that already, so that's why we're going through more of the right hand. So take this challenge, and if you can't remember all the notes, obviously you can just write it down onto a piece of paper like what I do as well most of the times, and just remember that, okay? But anyway, here we go. One more time. So it goes 2 G flats, up to B flat, up to G flat, F, E flat, D flat down to A flat, and then 2 B flats, up to D flat, B, B flat, G flat, F, A flat, F, and that's it for the right hand, okay? So remember that, okay? But once you get that right hand, the left hand is simple, as I told you before. It's the 4 chords that we did: E flat minor, B major, G flat major, and D flat major as block chords, okay? No need to do that Alberti bass for this one, okay? Because this is like the dubsteppy part, okay? But anyway, here we go. 2 hands together goes like this. I'll tell you where to put the hands together. So it goes G flat and E flat minor together. E flat and B major together. B flat and G flat major together. F and D flat major together. Just like that, simple. Alright, one more time. So it goes like this. So it goes together, 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 together. Like that, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? So what you do, just add speed, practice slowly first, and then you just be like, and then just repeat it. You can see I'm just doing some random rhythm patterns for the left hand, okay? You can even do the Alberti bass if you want. You can be like, anything can do it, okay? So once you learn like the chords, you can do all these different patterns to it. For the left hand, that's how you kind of like improvise the patterns and accompaniment patterns like how I do in my covers as well. But anyway, yeah, have fun learning this song. I played a cover of this. It's a pretty awesome song. And as for now, I guess, yeah, go ahead and try out that awesome intro, because it's like such a very distinct intro where you can hear it. It's like, oh, that's the song, Alan Walker Faded. You can play it to your friends, have fun with that, and enjoy your time on my channel. And for now, remember to subscribe. There's so many of these type of videos. I have like over 2,000. And yeah, for now, see you next time. I'm glad you made it to the end of my video. Now you can visit my website to learn how to play this or any song you want through my methods explained through books and courses, or just get me to make a full song video lesson or sheet music transcription on any song you want using my customized services. As for now, enjoy your time on my channel, subscribe, and see you next time.